Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to divide decimal numbers with powers of 10 okay? So let us take an example here. In this example, we want to divide 543.21 by 1000 So to find the solution, we're going to follow these following steps. Step number 1, write the given number down, 543.21 divided by 1000. 1000, but there are 3 zeros in 1000. There are 3 zeros in 1000, or we can also think about it as 10 to the power of 3. To the power of 3 means there are 3 zeros in the exponent 3 indicates that there are 3 zeros in 1000. So 543.21 divided by 1000, we can write this as, so step 2 is identifying the number of zeros in 1000, or writing 1000 in terms of an exponential number. That is step 2. In step 3, we're going to perform the division, and then we're going to then move the decimal place 3 times to the left. So the way we're going to perform the division is as follows. We write the number down, 543.21, and then now we're going to move the decimal place 1, 2, 3 places to the left and then place it right there. So the way we can, when we divide 543.21 by 1000, the result is going to be equal to 0.54321. So this is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. This is how we find we perform the division of decimal numbers. Let's take another example. Let's this time let us see if we can divide. We want to divide 543.21 by 10,000. Okay, so we want to divide that same number by 10,000. So now we will follow the process, the steps. Step number 1, write the number down, 543.21 divided by 10,000. In 10,000, we want to, in step 2, we want to identify the number of zeros in 10,000. So there are 4 zeros in 10,000. There are 4 zeros in 10,000, or in terms of exponents, 10 to the power of 4 is same as 10,000. So there are 4 zeros in 10,000. So in step 3, we're going to perform the division, and as if we're dividing whole numbers. Therefore, we write the number down. We write 543.21, and then now move the decimal place four places to the left. 1, 2, 3. There is no more number in front of that, so therefore we can put a 0 and then move it in front of the 0. So therefore that is 4 places. Therefore we can write this one as, equal to 0.05431. So this is our answer. This is how we want to represent the number when we divide 543.21 by 10,000. So if we were to extend the same example with 100,000, and this is how it's going to come out. Let's call this as, we're going to divide the same number, 543.21, this time by 100,000. So step number one, we're going to write the number down, 543.21 divided by 100,000. We want to, in step 2, we want to identify the number of zeros there are in 10,000. So as we can see, there are 5 zeros in 10,000, or in terms of exponents we can write it as 10 to the power of 5. So therefore, in step 3, we're going to perform the division as if we're going to divide. We're going to do the division with whole numbers. So we write the number 543.21, and now we want to move the decimal place 5 places to the left. So 1, 2, there are no more numbers in front of it, so therefore we're going to add zeros in front of that. So we're going to move the decimal place 5 places, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So that's where we put the decimal place. Therefore we can write this one out as 0.0054321. This is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. This is how we perform division of decimal numbers. In my next presentation, we shall see how to convert a fraction to a decimal.